Department of Computer Science. My subject is Statistics. Today I am going to teach you measures of dispersion in brief. Let us see the definition of measures of dispersion. First we study what is the dispersion. Deviation of the different values of the data taken from its averages or spread of actual value from its averages. The single numerical figure which represent the variation or dispersion, which is known as measures of dispersion. There are two types of dispersion. First is absolute measures of dispersion, which is original values, and second one is measures of its relative measures of dispersion. First we see the absolute measures of dispersion. Let us see the definition of absolute measures of dispersion. The measures of dispersion expressed in the terms of original unit, it is called as absolute measures of dispersion. It is the original units and it is used for measuring the variability. There are some points which is absolute measures of dispersion. First point is range, denoted by capital R. Second point is quartile deviation. Quartile deviation also known as semi-interquartile range. Third point is mean deviation. Fourth point is standard deviation. And last is variance. Next is relative measures of dispersion. Let us see the definition of relative measure of dispersion. The measure of dispersion which are expressed in terms of ratio or percentage, it is called as relative measure. It is the pure number which is free from unit and it is used for comparison. There are some points in relative measure. First is coefficient of range. Second is coefficient of quartile deviation. Coefficient of mean deviation. Coefficient of standard deviation. And last is coefficient of variation. Next, let us see the definition of absolute with its relative measure. First point is range, which is absolute measure, and its relative measure is coefficient of range. Let us see the definition of range. The difference between the largest and smallest observation from the data, which is known as range. The formula for range is as the range is denoted by capital letter R. Formula is as follows: L minus S, and the formula for coefficient of range is equal to L minus S divided by L plus S, where L is nothing but largest observation from the data and S is nothing but smallest observation from the data. The formula is same for all types of the data, that is individual data, discrete frequency data or continuous frequency data. Next one is quartile deviation. Short form for quartile deviation is QD and its relative measure is coefficient of quartile deviation. Let us see the definition of quartile deviation. The half of the difference between upper quartile and lower quartile, it is called quartile deviation. The formula for quartile deviation is Q3 minus Q1 divided by 2. That is divided by 2. That is half of the difference between Q3 and Q1. Next definition is interquartile range, that is Q3 minus Q1. So therefore the quartile deviation is known as semi-interquartile range. And next is coefficient of QD, Q3 minus Q1 divided by Q3 plus Q1, where Q1 is first quartile and Q3 is highest quartile. Next definition is mean deviation. Mean deviation is absolute measure and coefficient of mean deviation is its relative measure. Mean deviation is the set of values of the arithmetic mean of all absolute deviation taken from averages. The averages are mean, median or mode. Let us see the formula. Mean deviation about A, that is A is nothing but mean or median or mode. Mean deviation about A is equal to, formula is as, the formula is for individual data. The coefficient of mean deviation about A is equal to mean deviation about A divided by A, where A is nothing but mean or median or mode. Next is standard deviation. Standard deviation is absolute measure. Short form for standard deviation is SD, and its relative measure is coefficient of standard deviation. Standard deviation is the positive square root of the mean of square of deviation taken from mean. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma. Formula for standard deviation as follows. This is formula for individual data, and coefficient of standard deviation is equal to standard deviation divided by mean, ratio of standard deviation and absolute value of mean. If mean is negative, then convert it into positive value, take its absolute term, then we calculate coefficient of standard deviation. Next is variance. Variance is the absolute measure. The square of standard deviation is also known as variance. The definition of variance is the mean of the squares of deviation taken from mean. Standard deviation is denoted by sigma, then variance is denoted by sigma square. The formula is as, remove the square root from standard deviation, we get variance. The formula is for individual data. Next is coefficient of variation, that is CV. CV is relative measure. Definition for CV is the ratio of standard deviation and mean, which is expressed in terms of percentage. Then we get CV, that is coefficient of variation. Standard deviation divided by mean into 100. This is formula for CV, and this is formula for all type of data, individual data, discrete frequency data or continuous frequency data. I hope you understand all the points of measures of dispersion. Thank you.